In this video, we're going to dive into how to get started with Descript, an incredibly powerful tool for creators, marketers, and podcasters alike. Whether you're editing audio, video, or even transcribing content, Descript can streamline your workflow and take your production to the next level. Stick around until the end because I'll show you how to get a completely free trial with some exclusive bonuses, only available through the link in the description below. Descript is all about simplicity and flexibility. It works by turning your audio or video into editable text, making editing and creating content faster than ever. You don't need to be a pro to use it, which is why it's great for beginners. To start, you'll need to sign up, and once you're in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard where all your projects are stored. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your media. Whether it's a podcast, a video, or an interview, Descript can handle multiple formats. Just drag your file into the platform, and Descript will automatically transcribe it into text. The transcription process is surprisingly accurate, and even better, it happens really fast. Now, once your transcript is ready, you can start editing. This is where Descript shines. You can click directly on the text to remove words, phrases, or sentences. Yes, you heard that right. Delete audio just by deleting text. It's that easy. If you want to trim your audio or video, you can do it directly in the timeline without having to jump back and forth between different software. It's all integrated into one seamless experience. Another really cool feature is overdub. If you've ever made a mistake in your recording and didn't want to re-record an entire section, overdub is a game changer. You can type the text you want to be read, and Descript will generate your voice reading those words, all while keeping it sounding like your original recording. It's ideal for fixing mistakes without losing the flow of your content. For those of you looking to create professional video content, Descript also lets you add captions, titles, and even split your clips with ease. The drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly intuitive, and you don't need to be an experienced editor to get your content looking polished. As you continue using Descript, you'll start noticing its ability to make editing quicker and more accurate. You can also collaborate with others on projects, making it great for team-based projects or client work. Simply invite someone to your project, and they'll be able to help you edit or provide feedback, all within Descript's platform. Now, you're probably wondering about the cost. The good news is you can start using Descript for free with a limited number of hours, but if you want to unlock all the features, you'll need to choose a paid plan. However, I've got a special treat for you today. By using the link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial of Descript and some extra bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. To recap, Descript is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone who works with audio or video. Whether you're editing podcasts, creating YouTube videos, or transcribing interviews, Descript makes everything faster, easier, and more professional. With its AI-powered features like overdub and the ability to edit by text, it's truly a game changer. So if you're ready to make your content creation more efficient, check out Descript using the link below to get your exclusive free trial and bonuses. Don't miss out. This is the best time to get started with one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing.